All right, check this out. We've got a smart bird feeder camera. So let's go ahead and let's open it up and see what we got. All right, first of all, you do have your directions. Smart bird feed camera with solar panel. So this thing is solar activated. You don't have to have batteries. Here's the email where you go to if you need support. And uh-oh, look, nice. It comes with a 64 gig micro SD card. That's nice. The other ones never did. So I'll put that over there. And oh, comes with tools. You get screws. You get a USB. I think it's a, let's see what it is, USB-C, and it's got like a little strap doohickey there, and a little, some kind of knob we'll have to use. Put that over there. And then, I think this is it right here. Wait a minute, this is so easy, look. It just pops up. Oh, that's kind of weird, look under there. So this apparently sets, so if you look, you've got these little holes here, and you got to get it on there. So let's see if we can do it. Put one there, and let's get that one on there. I think I can do it. Just gotta, oh man. Oh, got it. Look at that, did it. All right, so this rotates on that like that, okay? And then you just pop it like this. And now this is ready to go. Let's get this off of here. This is like some kind of film to protect it. And wow, we're looking good so far. All right, now there's more to it. I think this is the base here. Let me set that over there for a second. Let's get the base out. All right, so this is an antennae, and this is the base here. Is there anything else? There's more. Oh, look. All right, so let's put this over here, and let's take a look at what we got. Okay, this is everything that comes in the box. And this here is the bottom. It goes this way. So let's flip this over and look at it. And I do believe that this is going to set on here like this, and then I've got to screw some screws in. You follow me? Just like that. So it does come with some screws, which are in here. So I've got to get 1, 2, 3 of them, and then that sets that up, right? Just set it like that for a second. All right. Make sure you can see what I'm doing. All right, here we go. So we got to get this open. All right, drop that out. All right, so here's all the different screws. So I think there's 3. Yeah, there's 3 there. All right, let's pour these out. So these would go in here. Seems like these would be the ones that go in there. There we go. So we're going small screws. You follows me? Okay, bam, done. So there's our feeder. Oh look, there's another piece of something on there. All right. So now we're ready to roll. The camera's already in there. All right, so check it out. So you've got to rotate this all the way, and then you can get in here and you can put your micro SD card in there, right? And there's a power button on it. And then we just set it outside. So I think what we'll do is we'll put it outside, and we'll just see if we get any kind of action on it. So we've got to get our micro SD card in that little port right there. And then we hit that for power. All right, so let's get our micro SD card out. We got to get the micro SD. Because it's nice that it comes with one of these, because, you know, these are not cheap. And we got to get it in there. You know what I mean? Jelly beans. So here's your micro SD. So the question is, which way does it go in? So I'm going to try this way first. It's got a really strong spring on it. Oh, that's it. Yeah. So look at everybody. Put your micro SD card facing you, the side, with the gold side back, and then you just get it in there, and you're gonna push it down. Okay, I got it. Now let's go ahead and get our USB in there. We got to kind of tilt it back a little bit. Oh, wait a minute. Before we do that, let's put our weather thing on first, right? Get that in there. Now we're good. Now we can do, oh, we got to start it though. Shit. We got to do the power on it, right? So let's hit that. All right, so I think we got the power going. Let's smush that in. We'll find out when we take it outside. Put some bird feed in it. I gotta move this back a little bit to get that, because it doesn't give me a lot of, what do you call it, a lot of room. All right, let's get it in there. I've got it smushed right in there. Right now we can back it up just a little bit. And so now I think that will get the birds. You follows me? We might tilt it a little bit more. We're not going to know until we see it. All right, so these are the solar panels on top. And basically, I just got to, put it somewhere where, the birds will come and eat. It's got this. Now, if I want, I could go ahead and put this on the wall and then connect this like that. You see what I mean? It goes like that, and then it screws in to the bottom of this. You follows me? But, I don't know. I'm wondering if we can just charge it with a block first. I'm wondering if we can charge it with a block first and get it charged up. That's a possibility. This is, I don't know what this is showing you, but it doesn't really. And so we do still have these two, this and this antennae, which I think screws on the back. And then it will connect to your Wi-Fi network. You follow? Yeah, like that. So that's going to go on the back. Let me show you. Right here. So to get it on, what you want to do is put it this way and then just screw it on till you get it on there all the way. And then you pop this up. And bam, Bob's your uncle. You know what I mean? And hopefully that will connect to the Wi-Fi network. Now I think we're going to have to download an application for this. So we're gonna have to look it up and see what that is. But I think we're doing pretty good. I didn't put that last screw in, but yeah, I mean, we could. I'd have to flip it over and do that. But we've got it all set up and I think it's ready to go. We just gotta take it outside and let it charge up and see if any birds come.